Sir, my Penny Anna, names I hold so dear. You taught us everything, banished every fear. Our young minds growing, guided by your light. Never dreamt a shadow would steal you from our side. Empty chairs in the sitting room, echoes in the hall. A part of us is missing since you answered freedom's call. Grandchildren gathering, laughter fills the air. Oh, how I wish that you both were here to share. 20th content, the day the world stood still. Mama had drink anyway, heart gave out its will. Dad found her peaceful on the sofa, still and calm. A silent, sudden sorrow, a deep and lasting harm. Empty chairs in the sitting room, echoes in the hall. A part of us is missing since you answered freedom's call. Grandchildren gathering, laughter fills the air. Oh, how I wish that you both were here to share. Then Moses Hayes called us to drink in Eli's door. Dad was bedridden, couldn't fight anymore. October 29th, 2024, we said our last goodbyes, then you were no more. Empty chairs in the sitting room, echoes in the hall. A part of us is missing since you answered freedom's call. Grandchildren gathering, laughter fills the air. Oh, how I wish that you both were here to share. We're building our own families, holding memories tight. Still feel your presence shining ever so bright. Wish you were here. Wish you were here.